Look at that. That is really cool. I always thought it'd be kind of cool to sail the seas on one of those. Wish I could zoom in, but I'm trying to cross this bridge and I'm filming with one hand and got this other hand in this. I'm trying to go there. Yeah, so I definitely can't go in there. There's no room. It'd be really cool if I could go in that tunnel. It's raining now. I got this plastic poncho on. It's kind of crappy. And this weather really sucks. But that's a pretty cool bridge though. I don't know if you could see that. There's probably water all over the camera. Just waiting for this rain to pass. I'm not sure if it's going to. Yeah, it's a bad day.